Hey everybody, let's talk about matching credit card payments in QuickBooks. All right, so we're on the banking screen in QuickBooks where all of your transactions download for you to categorize. And first and foremost, I want you to be patient. This won't work if you rush. You'll see your money come into your credit card download first, as if the money was received. But don't touch this transaction yet. You need to wait a few extra days for the credit card payment to register as money out of your business bank account. So see the transaction above with the date 4/1? This is the much better example because this credit card payment was received as of 4/1, but as I jump over to the checking account, I can see the money actually leaving the bank account on 4/4. And once both sides of the transactions are in QuickBooks to record, QuickBooks should automatically pick up that the transaction is paired with another in your books to avoid double posting the transaction, as if you paid down the credit card twice. So once you see paired with another transaction, select add a credit card payment and both transactions will be recorded for you. See that $3,158.19 payment? It's gone. And all that's left on the checking account screen is the payment for $783.01. By golly, it's so simple. If you found this video helpful, we're real accountants and CPAs who work with hundreds of small business owners just like you every day. Check us out at engagecpas.com to see if we're a good fit for your business. We also have business courses available to help small business owners understand their business. They're for you to learn about your financials, your taxes, how to pick the right entity, tax myths, and everything else about your business. Learn at your own pace. Check those courses out on the Education tab on our website. You can also find us on Instagram at Engage CPAs.